Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to replace shocks on a Dodge Ram 1500. First, gather your essential tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a comprehensive wrench set. Make sure your new shocks are the correct fit for your truck model. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate personal protective equipment throughout the entire process. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure replacement. Begin by safely lifting your Dodge Ram 1500 and securing it firmly on jack stands. Next, locate the upper and lower mounting bolts that hold the old shock in place. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, you can compress the old shock and gently pull it free from its mounting points. Now, take your new shock and compress it, aligning the top with the upper mounting bracket. Insert and hand tighten the upper bolt. Then, extend the shock downwards to align with the lower mounting point. Insert the lower bolt and hand tighten it as well. Finally, use your wrench to securely tighten both the upper and lower bolts to the manufacturer's recommended torque specifications. After installing the new shocks, it's crucial to double-check all mounting bolts to ensure they are securely tightened. Carefully lower your truck back to the ground. Take it for a short test drive to assess the new shock's performance and feel for any unusual noises or handling. Remember, proper maintenance extends the life of your vehicle. Also, for an amazing reading experience, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.